Hello Cambly learners, my name is Diana and I'm a tutor here on Cambly. Today we're going to be looking at two commonly confused words in English, your and your. These words are homophones, which means that they have the same pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. In spoken English, there is no issue if we confuse these words, but the problem often arises when students are writing in English. These are fairly basic words, so if you misuse them in a test, or in an IELTS, or in any other exam, it wouldn't be considered a very good mistake to make. So today we're going to clarify when you should be using one over the other. The first word we'll look at is a contraction. This means that two words have been combined to create the word your. You and are. Let's look at some examples. You're an amazing friend. You're a hard-working student. You're going to the cinema, aren't you? If we had to replace these sentences with you and are, they would still make sense. Therefore, we know it's correct. The second word we'll look at is a possessive adjective, which means that you're speaking about something that belongs to you. It's often followed by a noun or a gerund. Some examples are: your cooking is amazing. Your speaking skills have really improved. Your dog is so cute. If we had to replace your with you and are, it wouldn't make any sense. So those are the two words. Try your best not to confuse them. Now we're going to do a short practice test. I'm going to say a sentence and you need to quickly decide in your head whether it's your possessive adjective or your, you and are in a contraction form. The first one. You're going to be late. Is it a contraction or a possessive adjective? It's a contraction. Number 2. Your brother is so tall. Is it a contraction or a possessive adjective? It's a possessive adjective. Number 3. Your mother is calling you. Is it a contraction or a possessive adjective? It's a possessive adjective. You're such a good listener. Is it a contraction or a possessive adjective? It's a contraction. Let me know how you did below in the comments with this exercise. I hope that after watching this video, you have less doubts about when you should be using your and your in a contraction form and in a possessive adjective form. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly is a platform that allows you to connect with native English speakers like me, anywhere in the world, at any time. You can use your phone or you can use your laptop to have conversations with native English speakers. Use the link below to schedule a lesson with me. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.